Hey guys, Tony here. Hope you're doing well. It is Monday, April 30th. I have some very positive news for you guys. So, Goldman Sachs, as you guys recall, I reported about this on April 23rd. They made a hire, a very well-known and seasoned professional trader to add to their his name is Justin Smith to add to their crypto markets unit. So they're making moves to try to get their clients to invest in the crypto market. And if you recall, earlier this year, Circle purchased Poloniex, the cryptocurrency exchange, and guess who's invested in Circle? Goldman Sachs. So Goldman Sachs is making moves, guys. Well, Morgan Stanley, who's a competitor of Goldman Sachs, is also looking to make moves because they are obviously competitors. They're having FOMO now, and they're going to compete for business for institutional investors who are looking into the crypto market. So this is a great sign. This is what we want. We want this big money to come in. They start pouring money into the market, and it's good for us who are currently invested in crypto in the infancy stage of this market, guys. So some details here. Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs have a long-standing continual rivalry that stretches across the globe from boardroom to boardroom and wherever money flows. This rivalry is well known in traditional markets and in the world of fiat banking, but it's quickly coming to head in cryptos big time. And I can't wait for this because with them opening up the floodgates, with their existing clientele of institutional money and rich people, this will be big for the crypto market. A source close to the working group that has been planning Morgan Stanley's foray into adding cryptos to their trading desk and creating a specific trading desk for institutional crypto trades, arbitrage, and ICOs gave us a signal this morning as to how closely the firm is to announcing its findings and getting approval to begin engaging publicly. Here's what the source said, I quote, Several of us have been reaching out to what we call mid-tier money managers that we know are on the cusp of opening crypto-focused hedge funds. We have done some work with pure play crypto funds as well, but we've been more specifically tasked to engage with firms that are apt to add their current portfolios as opposed to starting from scratch. I can't tell you who those are as we are under NDAs with several, but you can bet that things are moving quickly and deals are being struck, and you can guess why. Goldman is taking a different track than we are, and our directives seem to have them in our sights at the moment. If we are able to engage on a one-to-one basis as opposed to going through third parties, and they mentioned Circle, which Goldman Sachs is invested in, then we ultimately lead in the space. So Morgan Stanley, guys, is making moves. Another quote here, truth be told, this is the next arms race. Everyone is rushing into cryptos. Everyone. There isn't a bank, a fund company, a former legend attempting a reclaim old glory, private equity, venture capital, lending, exchanges, consulting firms, everybody. It's a digital gold rush. This makes me happy. It gives me confidence. I'm going to keep holding my crypto. I'm not looking at the market right now. Guys, I've seen this story over and over, and I couldn't even believe the bull run that took place last year in December 2017. I was holding for all of 2017. I got into the market around late 2016, and I wish I bought more in 2016. But I know this market will continue to grow. The institutional money is lining up. The governments are on board. There's more clarity now in regulations. There still needs to be more clarity, but a lot of the negative aura and FUD that was surrounding the market because we didn't know what governments were going to do. We didn't know who was on board. Now we're getting more transparency there, and the big firms, the money, the institutional money, they're ready to compete. And they're ready to dump their clients' money into this. And they're ready to work with hedge funds and all these investment firms. So guys, keep holding on to your crypto. I'm telling you, hold on. When you see these big investment banks are doing this, they're not doing it for fun. They're looking to make money. So if you're holding crypto, you are ahead of the curve, guys. The next big news I want to announced here is Arrington-backed startup launches crypto for cash credit program. So Michael Arrington, the founder of TechCrunch. Now, if you guys know, he also has a Ripple XRP fund, which is called Arrington XRP, the Arrington XRP fund. And that, in order for you to participate in that fund, you have to deposit XRP. So Michael Arrington is doing a lot. And if you know, he's been in the tech space for a long time, the founder of TechCrunch, friends with a lot of people in Silicon Valley. So this guy knows what he's doing. Well, there's a cryptocurrency startup named Nexo, which is backed by Michael Arrington, has launched a cash-based lending system. So this is unique. Announced Monday, Nexo provides loans or extends a line of credit using its own assets, said the managing partner, Antonio, I can't pronounce his last name. To the end, the startup raised $50 million from investors, which will be used to provide liquidity to the company's platform. This departs from existing crypto-backed lending solutions, which instead connected borrowers with other individuals willing to loan their funds. The structure allows Nexo to provide instant loans without requiring credit checks or time delay that manual processes require. So this is big, guys, being able to, you can take out a loan now, and obviously these loans are being backed by crypto. This is very interesting. And here's a quote. It says from Arrington, "I haven't seen anyone do a good job so far of providing liquidity for people who have cryptocurrencies without forcing them to sell the cryptocurrency, or to put it more succinctly, provide a proper credit line to people who own cryptocurrency." So obviously you can borrow against your cryptocurrency. So this is very interesting. And I think these type of activities, which mirror the normal activities throughout a life, like getting a loan, buying something, right? Transactions, you're having these cryptos moving into the normal processes of life now. We're getting some adoption. So this is big. This is why I want to share that news, because people can take loans out on their crypto. That's going to change the whole, it could start disrupting the lending market. And I won't, now don't get me wrong, I'm not going to say it's going to turn it upside down overnight, but it's going to slowly start to creep in where people are holding Bitcoin, wherever it may be. They can take out loans against it, whatever it may be. But so this is definitely significant. So I wanted to share this news with you guys. I really like this Morgan Stanley news because we're talking big money. This is Wall Street. This is institutional investors, rich people. We're talking millions and millions, near billions of dollars, guys. So keep holding on to your crypto. I'm telling you guys, this market is going to grow. You have to be patient, and we're going to see that next big bull run. You have to be patient, and it's going to be greater than the one that took place in December 2017 because there's more institutional money, there's more bigger investors in there, and there's going to, of course, the FOMO is going to kick in, and crypto is getting more mainstream, so you're going to have more retail investors. The common Joe, right, like you, myself, who are invested are going to start coming into the market. And obviously now's the time to have your crypto stash in place so that when that bull run starts, you are already ahead of the curve and you can make some nice profits. So as I always tell you guys, buying the dip, look at when there's pullbacks, and make sure that you're tracking things accordingly and know when you're going to sell at what price point. Have your spreadsheet, know what you have to do with taxes and all that. Be prepared, because when the bull run comes and you cash out, you need to make sure you know the logistics. If you cash out, which exchange are you going to cash out on? Are you going to wire that money or send it to your bank account? Maybe if you're cashing out a lot, hundreds of thousands of dollars, maybe it's a good thing to talk to your bank representative, things like that. So, get ahead of the game. But as you guys see, the stage is being set. We got these big investment banks are ready to get in. So what do you guys think about this news? I think this is great. This is bullish news. Once again, not looking at what the market's doing right now, but looking ahead, right? So leave your comments in the comment section below. Thumbs up if you like this video, and please subscribe for more videos on crypto. Talk to you guys later.